What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because I partnered with Covergirl to show you guys how I got this peachy realness look. I am obsessed with peach. You guys can tell I even brought out a peach sweater for this look. I am invested in this look. I just love the peachiness. And obviously this look is completely drugstore, so it's super affordable. You guys don't have to spend a lot of money to get a bomb makeup look. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this look today. If you guys like when I do more affordable tutorials, then just give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It'll be the first link right down below in the description box. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so I am starting off with a completely bare face, as I'm sure you can tell, and we're gonna get started with primer. For our primer today, we're gonna go in with the True Blend Base Business. They have a couple of these. I know they have a skin smoothing one as well, which I really like, but since we're gonna be going in with a matte foundation today, I'm gonna use an illuminating primer. Squeeze it out like so, and apply. This feels so nice on my skin right now. Oh my God, it feels like so cooling. I don't know if it's just because it's hot in my beauty room right now with these lights on me. Ooh, it smells amazing. Love the scent, but it feels so nice on my skin. For our foundation today, we're gonna be using the Covergirl True Blend Matte. I'm super excited. I have this in shade L80. And as you guys can see, it has a pump. Thank you, Covergirl, for putting pumps on your foundations. Oh my gosh, so many brands at the drugstore don't do pumps, and it drives me nuts. So just gonna pump this guy out and apply to my face. I am self-tanned now. It might be a little light, but I think once we do our bronzer and everything, it'll all match. And just gonna go through with a beauty blender and blend that out. What I love about this foundation is that even though it's matte, it's a comfortable matte. So it's not gonna make your skin like super dried out or anything, because I personally do have skin that's on the drier side, but I still love this foundation. It's very comfortable on my skin. So I have really been enjoying it. For my concealer, I'm gonna jump in with the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. I have this guy in shade Light Medium. And I'm just gonna pop this on my under eyes to highlight and brighten. I love the applicator on this too. Like, it's a brush tip applicator, but it's so soft. It feels like a massage on my under eyes. And just to balance that out, I am gonna put a little down my nose as well. And like everywhere else, you know. I always gotta bring it overboard. And then just gonna blend that all out as well. Now that our face is done, we're gonna go in and do our brows. I'm gonna be using the Covergirl, what is this even called? I literally use this like every day and I don't even know what it's called. The Ultrafine Brow Pencil in Honey Brown. You guys, this is like bomb, literally the best drugstore brow pencil. I use it all the time. I'm just gonna go in and get these brows nice and right. And just fill them in. I love this pencil because it has a little touch, like it's not overly waxy, but it has like a little touch of waxiness to it, like in the formula, I think. And it really just helps to keep my brows in place so well. So I love that. Like, you don't have to go in with like a brow gel or anything after. Like, I literally just use this and they're fine all day. Just feathering in the little baby hairs. Alrighty, brows are done. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna start on the eyes. All right, for our eyes today, I am so excited. We're gonna be using the Covergirl True Naked Scented Eyeshadow Palette in Peach Punch. You guys, this smells so delicious. Oh my God. So like peachy and fruity. I'm literally obsessed. The colors are beautiful. I have another one of these that I have been using quite a bit actually, but I have a nice clean fresh one for the video to show you guys it. But oh my God, like I love this. I love the shade range. I love doing peachy looks on my eyes. That's why I'm wearing like a peachy little sweater today, you know, to go with the peachy eyes. But this is the palette that we are gonna be using today. And as you guys can see, it has a really nice mix of both mattes and shimmers, which is great. I love that in a palette because we can do a complete and full eye look with it. So I'm first gonna go in with this first shade right here in my crease. I like to just put this color down first in my crease as a base. You could actually put this all over your eye if you wanted to use it just like as kind of like a set for your eye, but I'm just gonna focus mine in the crease today. And as you guys can tell, the color of the shadow is like literally identical almost to my skin tone, so you're not gonna get like 10 tons of color payoff with it, but it's really gonna help when we build up those deeper shadows to have this down first. So just blending it. Then to build up the crease, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful peachy shade. And we're gonna start to build up some color in the crease with this. Just blending back and forth in windshield wiper motions. And as you guys can tell, these colors are very pigmented. Like I literally just like dunked my brush in. You really don't need that much to get some really great color payoff with these, especially the mattes. They are amazing. I feel like peachy makeup looks like always just make me think of like spring and summer and like happiness because it's peachy. I don't know, I just have like, they just give me good vibes. Do you guys know what I mean? Like, do any of you guys have like certain colors that kind of give you good vibes? For me, like those peachy tones are like one of those colors. I want to keep this look pretty light for the most part, but I am going to go in just with one more color and deepen up the crease a little bit more, and I'm going to use this last matte shade right here on the end. I'm literally just going in with the tiniest bit of that shade just to deepen this up. So I don't want to make it too deep and dark. Like, I still want to keep it very daytime appropriate. But that just kind of deepens the peach slightly. These mattes blend so easily on top of each other, which is awesome. Like, sometimes colors can like pull at each other when you're trying to blend them, especially like drugstore shadows, but these work fabulously. They perform like they're high end. And then my lower lash line, I'm actually gonna mix some of that shade that we just used here on the end and that peachy shade and just smudge out the lower lash line. Just gonna do a little mixy with both of those colors and smudge it all out. Then for all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with this pretty pink sparkly shade. This shade is so pretty. It's like a pinky kind of peachy shade, but it has a little bit of like gold glitter in it. And it's just like stunning all over the lid. So I'm just gonna pack this on and just doing the same thing on the other side. And I'm actually gonna go over that pink shade with a little bit of this light shimmer shade right here. And I'm gonna start to focus this on the inner corner and then just kind of build out. Then to highlight, I'm so excited. I'm gonna jump in with the Covergirl Peach Punch Highlighter. This is also scented amazingly. You guys can get actually the entire scented collection at Walmart if you are wondering. I'll put links down below, but there's a highlight and there's also a highlight palette that'll be coming soon, but I'm gonna use this highlight to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. So just gonna pop this right here. How stunning. And in my inner corner as well. Then we're gonna pop on some mascara. I'm first gonna go in with a lash primer because I'm not gonna be using any falsies today. So I love this lash primer because it really amps up my lashes. So this is the Lash Blast Amplify primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with this first. I only put this on my upper lashes, not on my bottom. This primer definitely adds like length and thickness and stuff to my lashes when I go ahead with the mascara on top of it, but it also really helps to like condition your lashes, which is important for them to actually like keep growing and stuff in the future. So I love that. Consider it like a skincare, but for your lashes. A lash care. And then I'm gonna go in with the Flourish mascara by Lash Blast. I love this mascara, you guys. As you can see, this one has a much more defined kind of wand, and it really does help to define out your lashes. And it gives you that like really pretty like fanned out effect, which I personally love. So just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes with this. And I am using this in the shade black. It does come in like brown, black, and a variety of different shades, but I just have black. All right, now that our eyes are done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the skin. First, you guys know we gotta bronze, so I'm gonna go in with the Chocoholic Bronzer. This one is chocolate scented, you guys, and smells so good. Oh my God, literally just like dessert. I'm trying to be good and like not eat dessert, and I'm like, should I eat the bronzer? But I'm not going to. This one does have a little shimmer to it. They do have a matte one as well, but for all over bronzer, I like to use the one with a little bit of shimmer. And I'm just gonna go in and bronze up the skin with this. This is a deeper bronzer, so you really only need a tiny bit. Like, I'm literally going like that with my brush, but if you do have a deeper skin tone, I think this would be great as well. But you really only need a little bit of this to get some nice color payoff. And what I like too is it's not orange literally at all. Like, it is pure brown, this bronzer. It is not gonna make you look like an Oompa Loompa or anything like that. Like, it's purely a brown, true brown. Then I'm gonna go in with the matte version of that bronzer to contour, and I'm actually gonna use it in the palette. This is the Peach Punch Highlighter palette. So in here we have a highlight, a blush, and a bronzer. And this bronzer is matte, so I'm going to use this one to contour out my cheekbones. And now in this palette, there is a blush. It is more on the matte side. It is so pretty, the color, but they have a shimmer one, and that's the one that I'm gonna use. So this one is the Peach Punch blush with a little shimmer finish. Smells like peach. All this stuff smells, just so you guys know. And I'm going to pop this guy on my cheeks. Obsessed with this blush. Oh my God, so pretty. And then I am going to go in with the highlighter from the palette since we used the other highlight on our eyes. I'm going to use this highlighter for the face. So we are gonna highlight our cheekbones. Yes, Lord. Ugh, obsessed with this highlight. Like, how pretty. It, of course, is like peachy tone, but I'm obsessed. It's like in between like a pink highlight and a gold highlight, which I love. Because normally it's like one or the other, and this is like, girl, you can have both. Like, how blinding. I'm literally not even using a ton of it at all. Like, I'm literally just dunking my brush in. Looks amazing. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the Exhibitionist Lipstick. These come in like so many different finishes, but I'm gonna go in with a cream one, and this is actually in the shade Cream. And I'm gonna put this all over my lips to start. Literally so buttery, oh my God. And now you can definitely leave it like this if you like a super nude lip, but I wanna add a little bit more of a pop of peach, so then I'm gonna go in over top of that with Caramel Kiss. This is just gonna deepen it up a smidge. Oh my God, these are literally like the creamiest lipsticks I've ever tried, like literally. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Like I said, I will have everything listed down below, so just click the description box if you are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.